This is the Fortnite Delulu event with Alex and Chris H. Let's go.
Is anybody here?
Yo.
Is anybody here?
Yo.
Yo.
Join up. We need a four.
Boys.
Let's group up. Oh shit, good loot. Hey, I'm feeding for loot. Bad. Good luck, baby.
Pizza party, boys.
Where the pizza at? Throw the pizza down. Pizza party?
The time has come. Execute Order 66.
Operate Order 66.
Oh shit!
Yo, you, Juice World, you friendly? I'm not.
One shield bro here.
Nah, I'm already far.
Nah, I'm lying.
Oh, fuck you, bro. Fuck
Nah, don't fuck me, bro. Don't fuck me. I'm chill. Yo, dude, with the friends. Hey, watch out! You're getting shot at! Throw down pizza. Oh, you got one too? We were getting shot at. My little secret is...
Here's my little secret.
I was the one shooting.
Oh.
Hey! Oh, you tweet. Yeah, you tweet. You fucked up. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you fucked up, bro. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Hey! Yeah, y'all fucked up. Wait.
I thought you guys killed my friend. I thought
You thought? Yeah, it was.
Guess what? You thought right.
You fucking idiot. Yeah, right side. We run! Sorry, bro.
Hey, but let me get teammate, bro. That did it backward.
I'm sure you knew.
Hey, chill! Hey, why you shooting me? Nah, chill, Rez. I'll drop you all my guns so you can believe me. Look, we could be a Michael Myers duo, bro.
Pizza!
I had to. What up? Get right, I'm sorry, bro. You murked me, bro. You gotta think about it. You murked me first. You did it first. You did it first! You deserved it. You deserved it.
Why you got that wig on? You don't look like Michael, you look like Mikael Myers.